quick look at all the remote options that you have for these wall sconces. So they do come with 2 remotes, but you can use one remote to control both of them. So if you can see here on the remote, I'm going to go ahead and hit on. It might be at a bad angle. Okay, yep, we got them both. So hit on, they both came on. Hit off, they both go off. And then you have your different color options here. So you got the one that we're on now. And then there. So those are your basic colors there. And then you have your red, green, blue up top. So RGB. Red, green, blue. And then your C. Or O, C, and Y. There you go. And then you have a purple. So all the options there, all the lights look really good. Then you have this option down here that has F. So it kind of just cycles through all of them. So you hit it and it flashes through everything. And then one right here, it's an S. And that slowly cycles through all the colors. So that's really cool. And then just to make it easy so you can see, I'm going to go back to the base color. And you have your dimming control there. All right, so there you go. That was a look at all of the options that you have for the remote.